So right now, it says y varies directly as x, right? So automatically, if you see that statement, automatically, what do you know this is dealing with? Direct variation. So right now, write in your journal, right, you're dealing with direct variation. Now let's think about what type of formulas deal with direct variation. What is one thing that in your column we talked about that deals with direct variation? What is y equal to? Okay. X to the power of n. Alright? So right here it says y varies directly as x. Does it say x squared or x cubed or anything? It just says x. So automatically we know what our n value is. We know that's just to the power of 1. Alright? By the way, do you guys know what k is equal to? There's a formula for k.
Oh, k is equal to y over x to the n.
So since it's y over x to the n, but we already know what n is equal to, what's n equal to? 1. So we know our k value is going to equal what? Y over x. So let's think about this. Our constant of variation is equal to our y value divided by your x value. So by the way, could you give me right now a y value or an x value you think we could possibly use in this problem?
35.
Ooh, right here, 35? Put 35 in.
And
5.
And 5. A 5. Put it there. So it's right here. Put 35 over 5. And interestingly enough, what do we get?
7.
Bam. 7. So guess what our k value is equal to? It's equal to 7. So we're going to take this number right here. And we're going to plug it in right there. And we're going to say y is equal to 7 times x. And we just made an equation right there. So it says, find the constant of variation. Did we find the constant of variation? Yes, what was it? 7. So we did that. Constant of variation. And use it to write an equation. By the way, this is your equation. This is your constant of variation. And then it says, then do what? Then solve the equation. Solve the equation. Solve the equation for what? No. It says find what? Find y when x is equal to a.
7.
So what are we going to plug in there?
7 to 49.
Bam. So when it says find what? Find your y value when x is equal to a 7, you're going to use the equation and you're going to plug in a 7. I'll highlight it right here in case you're wondering. You're going to plug in a 7 right there for x, and you have your y value of 49. So how many answers am I going to require for problems like number 5? 3 answers. You're going to label your equation. You're going to label your constant, and then you're going to solve for the other y or x values. That's problem number